Hi everyone. Today I'm reviewing something truly special. This is the Hypereleon Ultra Gold Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This isn't just any olive oil. It's a premium, award-winning product packed with health benefits and incredible flavor. So as you can see, this is the box it comes in. So let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about what makes the Hyperion Ultra Gold stand out? Well, this olive oil is not only organic, it's also sustainably produced in Greece and made from unripe olives using a cold extraction process. So, a lot of the nutrients and antioxidants and polyphenol content is huge in this product. It has one of the highest polyphenol contents in the world, up to 933 ppm. So that means it's not just delicious, but it is really, really good for your health. Um, let's take a closer look of how the olive oil itself looks in a teaspoon. So I apologize, but I had to just drizzle some of this onto my earlier spaghetti. But as you can see right here, this is a spoon of the Hyperion olive oil. And you can see right there, um, this is a really rich golden green color. And that is a sign of its freshness and very high quality. The aroma of it is very fresh. It has a grassy type of aroma with hints of herbs and a very slight spiciness that tells you that this is packed with antioxidants. So let's go ahead and try that. Try this spoon out and let you know how it tastes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up and taste it. Oh wow. Okay. Very, very bold flavor with a slight bitterness to it. And that's a signature. It has a very signature peppery kick at the end. That pepperiness is actually the polyphenols. So it's how you know it's a very high quality olive oil. It might take some getting used to if you're new to oils like this, but trust me, it is extremely worth it in terms of this. Just had to take another sip of that. So why should you consider the Hypereleon Ultra Gold? Well, it's not just about taste. This product has very, very high polyphenol content. It gives it amazing health benefits. It supports heart health by helping regulate cholesterol and blood pressure. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease joint pain and improve overall wellness. And get this, it may even help protect your brain from neural degeneration diseases like Alzheimer's. So you can use this oil in so many ways. You can drizzle it over salads, over veggies for an extra boost of flavor, or if you're looking for maximum health benefits, this, like I did right now with the tablespoon, you can just take a tablespoon straight up in the early morning. I mean, it's basically like liquid gold for your body. So some people even use it as part of their skincare routine because of the antioxidant properties of this. And I do want to mention a couple things as well regarding this olive oil. And this is a very nice box that it comes in. Very nice right here. 65 plus top awards and whatnot. I do want to mention a couple things. First, this olive oil is on the pricier side. It's not cheap. It's quite expensive. So compared to other brands, but honestly, when you're considering the quality, the health benefits, and the care that goes into making this product, I think it's worth every single penny. Also, some people have mentioned wanting more detailed sourcing information from the brand, but personally, I feel very confident in their commitment to organic and sustainable practices with this product. So there you have it. That's a review of the Hypereleon Ultra Gold Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Whether you're looking to elevate your cooking or invest in your health, this oil is an incredible choice. And if you've tried it before, or if you have any questions about it, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll leave a link down below in the description as well if you're interested to purchase this. See you guys next time. Thanks.